My husband is a charcoal man. Always Kingsford, always from Walmart. The perfect way to grill Hebrew National 100% premium kosher beef hot dogs. These hot dogs are a perfect start to a perfect summer evening.
Right now at Walmart, save on Kingsford Charcoal, an 18-pound bag for only $6.97. Hebrew National hot dogs, 12-ounce packs, 2 for $5. And now with rollbacks on thousands of your favorite items, summer costs less at Walmart. Save money, live better. Walmart.
Live 365.
Constitution, the supreme law of land. Preserve our great republic and each God-given right. And pray to God to keep the torch of freedom burning bright. As I awoke, he'd vanished in the mist from whence he came. His words were true. We are not free, but we have ourselves to blame. For even now as tyrants trample each God-given right, we only watch and tremble, too afraid to stand and fight. If he stood by your bedside in a dream while you were asleep and wondered what remains of the freedoms he'd fought to keep, what would be your answer if he called out from the grave? Is this still the land of the free and home of the brave? God bless you, and God bless this republic.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I'm sorry, good evening. This is the Intelligence Report. I'm Mark Koernke.
And I'm Nancy Koernke.
One day closer to victory for all of our brothers and sisters, both on and behind the lines and occupied territories, west, central, south, and east. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to us on LibertyTreeRadio.4mg.com, pbn.4mg.com, and we're on Live 365, then go to Liberty Tree Radio. You'll also find us on AM and FM micro stations, CB base stations, and Ultra Net Technologies east and west of the Mississippi. Well, today's date is the 11th of July. It is Friday. It's 8:04 by the atomic clock. So for all of you out there listening, come on, pay attention. Remember, you got to go home from work now. It's 5:04 on the left coast. And with that being the case, remember, people are thinking not about what's in front of the car, but typically about steaks, about YouTube. Hey, that's cool. We like that. But they're thinking about other things other than what's in front of the car, and we want to make sure that they get home safe. So, again, defensive driving, time to play scatter dodge, get to the other end, and plug yourself into whatever else you want to do once you get home. The other side, the other people, some ain't quite as sharp as all that. We want to avoid any problems, okay? Now, it is Friday, and a quick reminder that we have, a couple of things that are available. They've already gone out. A lot of you people already have them in hand. The first manual is how to organize and train a militia. This is PM 8-94. It is $5 per copy plus 6 stamps. There we go, Mark. 6 stamps for shipping, no matter where you are in the country. Well, some is going to be a little less, some is going to be a little more, and we kind of make up for the average difference there, okay? So it's $5 plus 6 regular 42-cent stamps. Now, we also have PM 10-08, which is Militia Standard Operating Procedure for the individual, the fire team, and the squad, incorporating heavy weapons of different types, how to move a unit. Standard Operating Procedure, the advantage, commanders, fire team leaders, squad leaders don't have to give orders. It's already known what's going to be done, and this means that they keep orders to a minimum. This is very important. So, PM 10-08 is $7 plus 6 regular stamps, and any combination to equal 6 regular stamps. 29 centers, 37 centers, 39 centers, universal stamps, I don't care what it is. Penny stamps. Just go ahead, look in your drawer. You got extras or old ones laying around, we will use them. As any of you who have received things in the mail will see, no stamp goes to waste. Okay, so again, PM 8-94 is $5 plus 6 regular stamps. PM 10-08, Standard Operating Procedure, is $7 plus 6 regular stamps. We ask that if you do get hold of copies of this and you want to reproduce it, the only thing we ask is that you reproduce it in its entirety. That way, whoever else you're training or whoever else you're trying to assist They will have all the information they need to organize beyond your original instruction. Remember, we're training the trainers. That is our mission, force multiplication. Now, another thing real quick is, of course, food production. This weekend, guys, we have beautiful weather. Somehow, that big storm, Nancy, passed us by. I don't know what happened there. This morning there was a wall of clouds from north to south, and I mean, it was absolutely guaranteed by the looks of it, we were going to get hit. Whatever took place, it slid, and this happens this time of year. It kind of slid south around us and then went right on over to Lake Erie. That's a good thing. We got enough rain. We're actually quite wet here right now. And is probably going to sweep back up north and do the old full lake cycle by the time it's done. But because of that, we got blue sky this evening, and we got